Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing great. Today I want to cover just a few tips that will help you to go into your back bending, heart opening poses. And for those of you who are suffering from lower back issue, you're gonna love what I'm sharing because it's not about compressing the lumbar spine. So if we kind of look at our anatomy, we will see that we have 3 different parts in our spine. Well, actually 4, if we do count like the coccyx. And then we have the lumbar spine, we have the thoracic spine, and we have the cervicals. Where your back bend is happening is on the upper part of your body. Actually, if you were to look at an elastic and imagine that your spine is like an elastic, you want all part of your body to be expanding up, so your spine to be expanding up. And then from the upper part of the elastic, from your thoracic cage, opening and bending back. And this is where your back bend happens. Of course, the spine is intelligent, and what will happen is when I go up and back with this, what happens is that my tail comes out in order to counterbalance the weight of my upper body opening up. But in order to not compress your lumbar spine, you have to actively be pressing down with your glutes, keeping your hips completely square, and for this, having a lot of engagement in your abs. So if you were to take the pose with the camel pose, we can really see it sideways. It actually helps. A lot of people I see do this, push the hips forward, allow for the tail to lift, and then they compress into their vertebrae and reach back, and this is their camel pose. What you want to go instead is place your hands on your lower back. Feel if your lower back is still completely flat, keep it as flat as possible, pressing down with your glutes. This way you engage your legs, you start engaging your abs, and then you extend the spine up. Once I've done this, I'm gonna roll my shoulder back, bring the shoulder blades together, press the chest up, and slowly, slowly, with my thoracic spine, start to bend back. Thoracic spine and cervicals going back. And when I have this, you see I don't have to press my hips forward. I can still press my knees down, and I can open my heart and then reach back. And it's completely different in terms of the feeling that I have. I have 0 compression on my lumbar spine. I'm not pressing my hips forward, and I'm keeping my chest up, pressing the heart up. So in all different kind of pose where you work on your back bends, you're looking to do this kind of actions where we keep the hips squared and we open from the upper part of your chest. And it will change so much how your lower back feels, but also in terms of the expansion that you can get through your heart, which is what we're looking to have when we go into back bending poses, because ultimately they do open the heart, and this is what we seek for when we go into those. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Give it a go. See how you feel in your body. Feel free to do the micro adjustments that speaks to your body, because once again, we're all different outside and inside. So we have to be able to also do what is right for us with the guidance that works for everybody else as well. See you on the next video, and if you'd like for more, feel free to subscribe to this channel or even get into our website. Website will be in the description box, so feel free to jump on this. I'm Ilo from Camel Pose, and I'm very happy to have been here with you.